Hey Divi Nation, thank you for joining us in the next installment of our ongoing Divi Design Initiative, where each week we give away brand new free Divi Layout Packs from our design team to you. This time around, Kenny and his team have created a stunning screen printing layout pack, and this layout pack will provide you with everything your website needs to get up and running in just a few clicks. Here's how to use it. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the screen printing layout pack. So this is the overall look and feel that you can expect from it. It looks really modern and professional, and you get a ton of free mockups that you can use for this particular website or any kind of website you built using Divi. So if you want to lay your hands on it, you can go to elegantthemes.com/layouts. And over here you can find all of the different layout packs that come with Divi for free. So go ahead and scroll down until you come across the screen printing layout pack. And if you click on it, you will see all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack, and you can click on the blue button which says View Live Demo. And this will redirect you to a live website where you can go ahead and discover all of the different layouts that come with this layout pack without actually having to install them on your website first. So say for instance you want to use this landing page on your WordPress website, you can go back to your WordPress website, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, Add New, give your page a title, publish the page, and enable the Divi Builder. Now over here you will get three options. You can start building from scratch, choose a pre-made layout, or clone an existing page, and we're going to choose one of the layouts by clicking on the purple button. And over here we have all of our different layout packs again, so go ahead and scroll down until you come across the screen printing layout pack. Then click on it. You will see all of the different layouts again, and you can select your layout of choice and click on the green button that says use this layout. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to upload to your page and change all of the content, and from that point on you can start modifying everything and make your website ready to go live. Now, of course, you can modify all of the written content that comes with certain modules, but you can also play around with Divi's built-in options and efficiency features to make a lot of changes throughout the entire layout pack in just a few clicks. So say, for instance, you want to change the font that's being used over here. You can go to the heading text settings. You can right-click, click on Find and Replace, and you can replace this font within this page with another font of your choice. So let's just take Apple Fat Face, for instance, and we're also going to tick off the box that says replace all font values within every option type, not limited to heading font, to make sure that all of the modules are covered, and then we'll click on replace. So as you can notice, this takes little to no time for it to change throughout your entire layout, and you can basically do that for each and every design element and each and every option within the Divi Builder and create stunning web design with Divi. Well, that was all for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and we hope that you're enjoying this ongoing Divi Design Initiative where we try to put something extra into your design toolbox each and every week. We're sure you don't want to miss a single giveaway, so make sure that you subscribe to our blog newsletter or YouTube channel, and of course make sure that you like our Facebook page so you'll get a notification every time we have something new for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.